This is why John hates Nissans. Yeah, our printer is named John Hates Nissans. They take my breath away with how much they suck. Anyway. Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody doing today? J&J Outdoor here with a test video of M8NS103. Stock numbers in me, just epic fail. I'll never remember them and look at the camera. This is a 2008 Nissan 350z. Andy, how many miles are on this bad boy?
There are 107,000.
107,000 miles on this. We are going to be selling this as a 3.5 swap. It is the Rev Up edition. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. I'm not a Nissan guy. I believe it's called the Rev Up though. It's the higher output VQ35. It does run. It will need a new water outlet. Full transparency, we are going to fix it, but we just show you what it is. That is all that was damaged on the motor. Obviously the belt, we'll throw a belt on it, but we've run it. It's good. So we are going to be selling that as a swap. You'll get the motor, ECU, harness, belt driven accessories. Not sure what you could put a VQ in. I'm sure you can throw it in whatever. So we'll sell it to you. You make it run. That's how it works here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. We'll let it run for just a second here. This is this fun game we play called Where Did Andy Put the Keys? Usually I look in the console. Precursor to this video, he said, hey, I'm ready for a video, which would mean that the car would need to run. I love messing with Andy. Normally they're like hidden in here or up here, but not today. Not today, Junior.
Gotta put it in neutral.
Oh, that's right. That's right. You told me that. The shifter's got some issues. The shifter. There we go. Yep, neutral. Oh yeah, it doesn't see park. The shifter doesn't see park. There we go. All right, while we're here, I'm gonna test out the transmission really fast. Reverse. Drive, there we go. Yeah, that shifter's kind of messed up. Don't wanna run this motor long, obviously, because it has no cooling in it. So I'm gonna give it just a couple of quick revs here, and then we will shut her down. Actually, I'll walk out there and let you guys listen to it. This motor's nowhere near warm. Whoa, dude, did you shine those seats?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, they're slippery. Yeah. Andy put tire shine on the seats. Here's that VQ though, running well. It's the pulley is hitting down there. That is not motor noise. That is a piece of the motor. Yeah, piece of the fan is hitting there, so there's that. You guys heard it rev though. Check the oil. Nice and clean. Pull the cap really fast, make sure she doesn't have a head gasket issue. Nope, nothing there. All right, we'll go ahead and shut this off. Take a look at the rest of the car, see what else is going to be listed for sale. Okay. Oh man, that Nissan chime is the most annoying. Climate control and everything we've already fully tested. The seats are power and heated, sold as a pair. Nice kind of tan Dove leather. A little bit of wear on them. Frost white or something like that. Yeah, frost white. Door panels are in great shape. There's a little bit of chipping here on the vents. It's very common on these. Rear end, nice and complete. We'll have both the taillights for sale, a complete loaded rear bumper, loaded hatch assembly. I think we even sell like the OEM exhaust off these. If I'm not mistaken, a lot of value in that. Doors will be sold complete, minus mirror and trim panels. That's how we do it around here.
That one's getting gutted.
That one's getting gutted, okay. I don't think any of the fenders made it. Nope, hood didn't make it. Wheels we will be selling individually. Drivetrain stuff all be listed for sale. Rear end, rear axles, some of the suspension components. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Everything's going to be listed for sale on our eBay store. This is why John hates Nissans. Yeah, our printer is named John Hates Nissans. They take my breath away with how much they suck. Anyways, guys, that is going to wrap it up for M8NS103, our 2008 Nissan 350z. All jokes aside, it's a good car. I just love ragging on Nissans. I actually kind of want to get a 370Z myself.
Wait for the 400.
Well, I'm a 10-year shopper, so I don't want to be like 50. I'm basically can now afford a 350Z. But then I fit in with like the 18-year-olds that put these kind of antennas on.
And do this kind of stuff to the front end.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. If you guys are looking for parts off of this, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website where we stock everything off these cars. Or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Rumor has it we are adding text messaging capabilities very shortly to our website. So you guys will be able to get paid to buy parts from us. You know, you can not be on the clock while you're buying stuff, but for real, please do. Text us. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.